Welcome to Smart Views in LeadSquared, your centralized workspace to manage leads, accounts, opportunities, activities, and tasks all in one place. With Smart Views, you can create custom tabs using filters and conditions so you only see the records that matter to you. Each tab is organized in a clean, sortable grid, helping you track tasks, monitor engagement, and prioritize actions faster. On the Smart Views page, you can switch between top and side views of tabs. The tabs are in top view by default. Click the side view icon alongside the leftmost tab to view all the Smart Views tabs in a list form. Drag and drop the relevant tab to reposition it within the list. To get a glimpse of an entity within a Smart View, click anywhere on a row to open the Quick View panel. Here, you can quickly view the relevant entity details and perform actions. To create a new tab, click the plus icon, add a name for the tab. Give it a short description and choose the entity type for the Smart View. Select a relevant color, then define your condition. Here, we're creating a Smart View of leads who belong to Chennai. Once done, you can view the details of the tab you've created by clicking the Tab Info icon. You can edit or delete tabs anytime from here. Tailor your grid by selecting columns, pinning important fields, and rearranging them for quick access. You can view and pin filters to refine your data instantly and focus on what matters most. Smart Views helps you stay organized, focused, and in control every single day.